What's going on, folks? I'm actually sitting in traffic on a Sunday. I don't know when this is going to air, but needless to say, there does not need to be traffic on a Sunday. Okay? I'm not even 5 minutes from my home, and it's traffic on a Sunday. So I'm not going to put that on y'all. Whoever does look at the videos, y'all ain't check in to hear me, trip and complain about traffic on a Sunday when it's beautiful outside. But believe it or not, this is actually a gardening video in traffic. With that being said, let's look at this traffic, right? Real easy, real simple concept. Everybody got somewhere to go. Because even if there was something preventing everybody from going full speed, or even a couple lanes being cut off, I mean, there has to be a lot of people out here in order for even to be congested, right? And it lets you know that, if there's a lot of people trying to do the same thing at the same time, when there's very little opportunity, you're going to be in, let's just say, a very uncomfortable situation. That's like your gardening. Now, when it was still frost outside and still cold, and everybody's still wearing their little down coats and everything, there was a portion of us, could be a big portion, could be a small portion, I'm not here to judge, that was preparing for these 80 plus degree days in zone 7A. I move my arm. And now that we had these days, those folks got stuff growing. So needless to say, it's always good to prepare. But the key is to prepare when the opportunity is less hectic. Kind of like when you're trying to get somewhere in traffic on a Sunday. So, just a real quick thought to say that you definitely want to prepare for what's coming. Now, you can do this by making sure that your seeds are planted and ready to go, so when these days come out, then all of a sudden, you're going to have plants when you need them. You can think of it like, okay, well, people right now are probably out shopping, buying these said seeds and soil and things of that nature. So look at it like that. You definitely want to go ahead and get out there prior to the rush. Probably going to be using puns throughout the whole video. Puns work from time to time. But understand that, there will be a rush. There will be traffic. There will be things that could stagnate you from your progress. So best to get them while you can, so you won't have that issue. With that being said, about the soil, I was able to get a little bit of garden work done today. And I had a bin that I had for, potatoes. And, I don't know if I planted them too early, too late. I don't know if the soil was just too packed, but needless to say, no potatoes. But what I did find? Once I found out that nothing was growing, I was throwing all kind of stuff on top of it. I threw the pumpkins, that black bin with the pumpkins in it. I threw that in there. I threw twigs, sticks, coffee, coffee grounds, everything under the sun. I just left it there over the winter. Well, I'm looking to transport some pots, here and there. More on that soon. But with that being said, when I tell you I had some black gold, and gardeners know what black gold is, but let me explain for the folks who don't. Black gold is your compost dirt that goes from a bunch of leaves, a bunch of grass clippings, a bunch of old soil, a bunch of bugs, just all kinds of stuff. It decomposes and turns into this rich black soil. And that is the difference between dirt. That's the difference between stuff you buy at the store, because there's nothing living in there. But when you got that live black soil, you can grow just about anything in it. And y'all, when I tell y'all, I had a whole tote of black gold where I've got so many pots that I filled up with that gold. I'm telling you, I much rather have that than the potatoes. So with that being said, y'all, two things to take away from this. Don't wait until there's traffic. Whether it be traffic to get seeds, traffic to get food, traffic to get what you need. Don't wait. Get it done, because there will be a time where you're going to need it. You don't want to be out here with everybody else on a Sunday in traffic trying to get it. It's the first takeaway. Second takeaway is, y'all, your garden projects that don't necessarily go good, you can always utilize the byproduct of that, whether it be soil, whether it be something that's decomposed, whether it be compost, whatever the case may be. You can always use that for the next time. So look, y'all, I'm gonna stop talking y'all ear off, but I just had it in me to say this, and to say use what you got. I'm normally a little bit more animated, a little more positive, but I did want to put this in your ear, because I'm gonna be honest with you. You don't want to be out in traffic when there's something you need. You don't want to be in a group of thousands competing to get something that literally nobody was thinking about a month ago. So with that, y'all, I guess the universe is tired of hearing me talk, and it looks like traffic is dissipating. So I'm gonna get on, deal with this 6-hour drive, and I guess I'm out, people. Talk to you later. Oh, one more thing. I do got a lot of videos in the cut. I don't know when this is coming out, but I got a lot of videos. Just want to edit it and make them watchable for y'all. Just don't want to throw no BS up on there. But yeah, those will be coming out soon. I got vinegar updates. I got kombucha updates. I obviously got gardening updates. Still working on that project, y'all. I don't want to reveal too much until it's something to actually reveal. But needless to say, y'all, make sure y'all get prepared in any way, shape, or form. Do what you can. I'm not one of those judgy people to say you need to do this, you need to do that. No, do what you can. Everybody do what you can, because only you know your situation to the point where you know what you need to do to make sure it's right. So we don't judge on this channel. We don't tell people what to do on this channel. We just advise. I just tell you what I'm doing. And yeah, so I'm gonna end it on here, guys. Looks like I'm moving. Don't want to disrupt your day, but just want to leave you with that. Stay prepared and do what you can with what you got. Porchlight out.